How's everybody doing? It's good to be back home. Hey little girl, is your daddy home? Did he go and leave you all alone now? Got a bad desire. Oh, I'm on fire. So tell me now, baby, is he good to you? Can he do to you those things that I do, huh? I can take you high. Oh, I'm on fire. Sometimes it's like someone took a knife, baby, edgy and dull, and cut a 6-inch valley through the middle of my skull. Yeah, at night I wake up with the sheets soaking wet and a freight train running through the middle of my head, and you can cool my desire. Oh, I'm on fire. Oh, I'm on fire. Thank you very much. I'm Arlo McKinley from Symphony, Ohio. Thank you very much for having me. It's a pleasure always to be here. We hit the road. I said, tell me where you want to be, and that's where we're gonna go. If it takes my life. I looked over at you. I had a smile on my face, and I noticed you were smiling too. Girl, you were smiling too. And for the first time in a long time, we were all right. Turn the radio on and heard Luke and by Texas, and you said it was your favorite song. Girl, you started singing along. We crossed state lines. I couldn't keep my eyes open, so I stopped to see an old friend of mine to get some sleep for a while. For the first time in a long time, we were all right. Woke by the phone, heard your voice say I should come get my things, 'cause you were gonna be home. And you wanted them gone. Like a brick it hit me. Everything I thought that happened that night, well, it was only a dream. So I went back to sleep. What else could I do? Tried to find my way back into that dream so I could be close to you. So I could be close to you. For the first time in a long time, we were all right. Oh, and for the first time in such a long time, I'm alright. Thank you very much. Cigarette smoke we're breathing, the Tennessee whiskey we're drinking reminds me of home. The girls at the bar are dancing, wild boys we're looking for romance, and whatever comes next, true hearts past true tears. In all of these towns, it's the same old shit. It's who's doing what and who they're doing it with. Well, I don't need to know. And every night the music's playing, strange hearts we look to come together again, together again. And everybody's got the answers. Each night you always seem to know what is best for everyone else. In all of these towns, it's the same old shit. It's who's doing what and who they're doing it with. Well, I don't need to know. And all of these towns, it's the same old shit. It's who's doing what and who they're doing it with. Well, I don't need to know. Thank you very much. Thank you, I appreciate it so much. That means the world to me. This last year's been crazy. It's had its ups and its downs, and its all arounds, and all that good stuff. I don't know why you guys choose to fill up a room and listen to me sing these songs that I write in a room, but it means the world to me. It really does. So I hope that you know that. So I want to applaud you. So thank you very much for filling my heart. I love you too. This song is about never get someone's name or initials tattooed on you, because you will definitely regret it. The cracks out in the sidewalk hold the memories I keep. Your name is on my finger, where a wedding band could be. And these white lines, they keep me moving till I'm forced to get some sleep. I pray to God that I wake up with you lying next to me. But I know I'm gonna wake up in a puddle of my tears, forced to realize you're gone for good. And I'm sorry that I stole from you so many of those years. I swear I'd give them back, girl, if I could. So I'm hiding out here in Irvine. You all know my name. I'll find myself a corner and I'll drink away my shame. I've got a want so bad to call you, though I know it's a mistake. So I hope that I am on your mind if you're lying there awake. 'Cause I know I'm gonna wake up in a puddle of my tears, forced to realize you're gone for good. And I'm sorry that I stole from you so many of those years. I swear I'd give them back, girl, if I could. And I know I'm gonna wake up in a puddle of my tears, forced to realize you're gone for good. And I'm sorry that I stole from you so many of your years. I swear I'd give them back, girl, if I could. Where the trees did grow, all I had was freedom, nothing more to show. Once I wanted everything, if the Lord would be so kind. Now that I've got everything, I'm about to lose my mind. No one hears me calling, no one looks to see. I can't seem to find a way to open up the door. I can't seem seem to find a way to open up the door. I guess I'll live inside of these walls forevermore. Sorry, Byron. Is that a voice I hear outside? Just another dream? Will I ever find someone who knows just what I mean? Yes, I hear a voice so clear. Now I think I see someone standing just outside, someone just like me. I gave it my best. You can't always be super good. I gotta show you that I'm human. Oh, I'm just kidding. Kind of. No, I am kidding. But I never heard of a Goose Creek before. And it's such a beautiful song that I'm trying to get down. So we're about halfway there. Figure it out. Time and bars that I have spent, I know just where the money went, and now I'm left to die here by myself. I watched you as you walked away. I never tried to make you stay. I just watched and wondered where it all went wrong. Now I've got a story for my friends. I've got a story for my kin. I've got a story about the one that got away. Oh, I used to spend my nights alone and wait for you to come back home. No more wistful thinking, only memories. But lately, every now and then you run right through my mind again, just to show me everything we could have been. Now I've got a story for my friends. I've got a story for my kin. I've got a story about the one that got away. Now I've got a story for my friends. I've got yell something out. I don't have a set list.
We know we're back
All
Back
right.
Go Flex!
Out there.
I'm just letting y'all finish out those conversations. I'm just kidding. Kind of. You want it, I can feel it. Got a bag of pills I've been dealing, so I can take you drinking. Don't tell me about a love thing. We'll get high and talk until morning. Then you can catch me sleeping. And all I need now I don't want. And all I love now, it's all gone to my head. Hail Jesus, can you save me? Didn't think so, guess that you're busy. Well, I guess we're all busy. 'Cause I remember when you told me if I believed I'd never be lonely. Now I know you were lying. And all I need now I don't want. And all I love now, it's all gone to my head. And life, I don't want it. It's so easy to die. And life, I don't want it. It's so easy to die. And life, I don't want it. 'Cause it's so easy to die. This could be the most beautiful thing that I've ever seen. while you look down at me. And my heart is rusted. I've been broken and I've been busted. But if you tell me that I can trust it, maybe this heart can love once again. You say your eyes put fear in men's lives. Well, maybe that's true, but not for me, 'cause it's love that I see when your arms round my neck and I'm holding on to you. And my heart is rusted. I've been broken and busted. But if you tell me that I can trust it, then maybe this heart can love once again. Could I be everything that you need? I'd like to see where this road goes, nobody knows. I'll be patient with you. Please be patient with me, 'cause my heart is rusted. I've been broken and I've been busted. But if you tell me that I can trust it, then maybe this heart can love one.